how to add a debit card to the Western Union app. Here's how it works. First, you will need to log into your account, and once you have logged in, it is going to look a little something like this. So estimate, receiver, payment, and review. Now, the first thing that you want to do is click on menu in the top right corner and then choose the option for profile and see if you have the option to add a debit card there. Now, depending on your version of Western Union, the Western Union app, you might have the option to add your debit card there. If you don't, when you are sending money here, I'm just going to set an amount as an example. You will see the options, like I said, receiver, review, and the money, how will they receive it. So when you go through these prompts, when you are asked to send or choose a money transfer method, there you will type your debit card information, and you won't have to add it per se, but instead you will just, like I said, choose it here, click on next, and you will just type your card information, and that way it is going to take the money from your card and send it to the receiver without adding your debit card to your account, but instead using it just once. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.